how to activate roaming for your Dito SIM card. So you can go ahead into your device settings, and from here you can find your SIM cards or your mobile networks, which is going to be right below your Bluetooth or near your Wi-Fi connections. So in mobile networks, depending on your phone or your device, it may have a different UI, but it's generally going to be in the data roaming section or the other settings. So in our case, it is in other settings and data roaming. And from here, we're gonna go ahead and choose international roaming as always. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. For some devices, it may be different, like allowing roaming for different SIM cards or individual SIM cards instead of just having it all included all at once. But you can find it directly in the mobile network section in your device settings. You can also go ahead and install the Dito app if you haven't already. And before you do all of this, make sure your SIM card is already registered. But once it is, you can find this kind of setting over here, which is the more settings with the triple dot icon. Or if it looks different for you, it may show something like this, which is roaming service. Just go ahead and find the other options for your Dito app. But those are a few options you have if you want to enable or turn on roaming for your Dito SIM card. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.